Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned this old flexi rod set into this high messy bun. Hey guys, welcome back. So a lot of you guys voted for me to do a high bun tutorial. Some of you guys were saying that yours doesn't turn out right or you don't know how to do it. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to do. So currently my hair is in an old flexi rod set. You probably can't even tell, but it's an old flexi rod set. It's very frizzy and I've been rocking it like this for about over a week. I'm going to get right into the video. I have a few things here with me. I have a spray bottle of water. I have my hair oil. I have an edge control, a medium bristle brush, and a scrunchie. So first things first, you want to wet your hair lightly. I'm only gonna be wetting the outer portion of my hair with my spray bottle, so just gonna do that. And the reason why I like to work on old hairstyles is that it gives me a bit of a stretch and also creates some texture, because without the stretch and without the texture, my hair would be very shrunken and I would have really tiny curls. And it would cause a lot of manipulation to get my shrunken hair up into a bun. Just want to go ahead and smooth that water in. So this can also be done on a hairstyle that fails. I'm going to go in and add a little bit of my hibiscus fusion hair oil to the area that I just went ahead and wet. So I'm just going to be doing a few drops, maybe about 10 drops. Rub that into my hands and rub that all over the wet area. This is going to help add shine. It's going to lock in moisture from the water, and it's also going to help soften my hair, make it easier to move around. And also, you don't want to be brushing dry hair, so it's best to work on damp hair. So now that the oil is in, I'm going to go ahead with my brush and I'm just going to brush my hair back. So the area that I really like to focus on is my nape, because that area has tiny short hairs and it's always been a problem. All right, so next I'm taking a scrunchie. It's 100% silk. It causes no frizz. It doesn't cause any breakage. It's really gentle on your hair. And I'm just gonna push all my hair to the top of my head. All right, so you can see my hair is at the top of my head. So this is where we're gonna make our bun. So my hair is nice and smooth. You can always go back in and do your hairline, your edges, your baby hairs, your nape. But for this part, you just want to smooth it up into a bun, just like that. Scrunchie on your wrist, and you're going to go ahead and wrap the scrunchie around once. Make sure all the hair comes through. It's not stuck in the scrunchie. You're going to twist and wrap the scrunchie around one more time. And this time, you're not going to pull all the hair through. You're gonna leave some of it in the bun. You're gonna need a toothbrush for this, but I'm just gonna add a little bit on my fingers, and I'm gonna add it to the front of my hair, and of course, the nape. All right, so I see that my hair is getting a little bit dry in the front. I'm just gonna spritz it. I'm going in with my brush, and I'm just gonna brush that in. And I'm just following behind with my finger. All right, you guys, so once you do your edges and you slick down your hair with gel and everything, you want to go ahead while your hair is still wet. That's why I have the spray bottle. While your hair is still wet, you want to go ahead and put on a silk or satin hair scarf or band or whatever, and you make sure to tie your hair. I made it into a triangle, and I'm just going to tie it in the front, and I want to make sure that my edges are covered, fully covered, so that way they don't move and get messed up while my hair dries. So now that this is on, I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, so that way I know my hair is dry, my hair is set, and I'm ready to go. So I will be back in about 10 minutes. All right, you guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down my scarf. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like. So with my bun, I don't like it to be perfect, as you guys can see. I kind of just let it fall however it's gonna fall. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if your hair is looking a little bit dry, you can definitely add a little bit of oil onto your hands and smooth it onto the curls. But this is it. This is how I do it. It's very easy. And I love doing it on hair that already has some texture in it, already some volume, some body, so I don't have to do too much to it. As you guys saw, I did not re-moisturize my hair or anything. You definitely can if you want to, but you may cause some shrinkage. You'll also change the texture of your hair if you do choose to do that. I'm gonna be washing my hair probably on the weekend in like 2 days, so I don't mind wearing my hair like this for the next few days. But yeah, this is really simple to do. You just need a few things, and yeah, anyone can do it. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. It's one of my favorite hairstyles to do on old hair. We got a nice little shine going on with because of the oil, and then I have some waves as well because of the gel. And yeah, that's it. At nighttime, I most likely would just take a scarf, or yeah, so at nighttime it's very simple. I do the same thing, and I cover my hair with my scarf, tie it around, and go to bed. Because I'm using a silk scrunchie, I'm not afraid of my hair, you know, drying out or the scrunchie causing breakage because it's made of silk. If you're not comfortable with doing that, you do not have to leave your scrunchie in. There's definitely nights where I take it out completely and I just redo my hair in the morning. I just use a little bit of water. I usually don't go back in with a gel. I just use a little bit of water, and I, you know, brush my hair a little bit and put my scarf on for about 10 minutes or so, let it dry, and then I'm ready to go. So very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.